Hey guys, this is the Halloween edition. As you can see, I got some ghosts flying around my room. This is actually Halloween 2019. I'm filming this at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The plans, but I have a good unboxing. This came to me off of Poshmark. It was shipped really quick. I bought it not even 2 days later it showed up. But let's open it up. It is a vintage Disney hoodie, and I believe the person tie-dyed it, or somewhere along the way it was tie-dyed, but I love it. Here's the design, it's beautifully folded. They do a great job of Poshmark, especially wrapping things and sending them out. That's cute stuff. And it is, I believe, medium. Look at these colors on it. I love the colors on it. It's thicker. We're about to get into winter in Florida here. But here's the design, back of it. Check the tag of it. Yep, it's Disney World, medium. Let's see if there's a year on it or anything. Doesn't really say, but here's the tag of it. Looks great. Just gotta throw it on real quick. Here it is. It's a nice fit on me. Nice kind of squeezed fit. Fitted sleeves on it. I like it. But he's nice. Strings are nice. Anyways, that's it. For this video, guys. Deuces.